Hey guys, I haven't been on here in literally a year, and I wanted to kind of show you what I've been up to over the last year. I haven't shared this on YouTube, but I became pregnant and I stopped doing embroidery. I was kind of in the middle of a lot of orders and getting done with the big last one that I have on my channel. And I finished that. I finished the tote bags, and gave those all. I didn't give them away. I got paid for it all, but I just kind of fell into a not feeling great physically and super fatigued, just pregnancy stuff. And I just didn't pick embroidery back up really. And then I had my daughter in September, so she's 7 months old now basically, which is crazy. And then we moved. And so now I started getting a little bit of orders for this other business called Cave Dwellers that my husband and I started last year. We somehow managed to do that. And now I'm making these magnesium sprays and magnesium lotions, and they're just a little bit easier. That's my mess I made. I made a pretty big mess today, but anyway, it's kind of just a little side thing that I've been doing when I feel like I have enough energy, and we get some orders through Facebook and Instagram. So I wanted to kind of use YouTube to be a place where I still share what I'm doing and give advice to small businesses who want to take orders on social media and things like that. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. These are the finished products, and I'll be doing probably more voiceovers like this. It's a lot easier to do once the kids are sleeping. I just kind of film throughout the day. That's me putting a box together. This wasn't supposed to be this video wasn't supposed to be this far into the video. So yeah, enjoy me putting a box together. It's really cool. So yeah, anyway, you can tell I haven't done this in a while. Yep, that's that. There they are. Okay, talk to you later.